Uzbekistan's bullet train is called Afrasiab, a high-speed train operated by Uzbekistan Railways. It connects major cities, making travel fast and comfortable. Afrasiab train details. Model, Talgo 250, Spanish-made. Max speed, 250 km/h, 155 mph. Routes: Tashkent, Samarkand, Bukhara, Karshi. Travel time: Tashkent to Samarkand, 2 hours. Tashkent to Bukhara, 354 hours. Tashkent to Karshi, 4.5 hours. Ticket classes and features: 1. Economy class, standard seats, air conditioning, and basic services. 2. Business class, spacious seating, complimentary snacks. 3. VIP, first class, premium seating, meal service, more comfort. Onboard services: comfortable reclining seats, air conditioning. Wi-Fi, limited availability, onboard cafe restaurant, LCD screens for entertainment. You know, the best train in the world depends on what you're looking for: speed, luxury, scenic routes, or overall experience. Here are some top contenders in different categories. Fastest train, Shanghai Maglev, China. Speed, 431 km/h, 268 mph. Route, Shanghai Pudong Airport to Longyang Road. Highlight: uses magnetic levitation, maglev technology, making it the world's fastest commercial train, most luxurious train. Venice Simplon Orient Express, Europe. Route: London, Paris, Venice, and other destinations. Highlight: vintage 1920s style carriages. Fine dining and 5-star service. Best scenic train. The Glacier Express, Switzerland. Route: Zermatt to St. Moritz. Highlight: stunning views of the Swiss Alps, deep gorges, and mountain tunnels. Best high-speed train for comfort. Shinkansen, Japan. Speed, up to 320 km/h, 199 mph. Route covers most of Japan, including Tokyo, Osaka, and Kyoto. Highlight: punctuality, safety, 0 fatal accidents, and ultra-smooth rides. Most unique train. The Ghan, Australia. Route: Adelaide to Darwin, 2,179 locally. Highlight: 4-day luxury journey through the Australian outback.